how to get giant mutated plants in Grow Garden, or how to go rich fastly in Grow Garden. So all you need are some sprinklers. First, you need one master sprinkle, and then two godly sprinkles, and then three advanced sprinkles, and lastly four basic sprinkles. And then all you have to do is just to stack them fully to cover your valuable plants, then collect all the plants that they already grown and leave the game like this. Load back in after an hour. Don't load back before that, and then favorite any gold and mutated plants and collect them, collect everything else. And then all you have to do is just to repeat this to earn the most money from your plants. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure to follow the steps as I said.